Hi, everybody. It's a real pleasure for me to be here for this second appointment of our bruxism season, the last season of this wonderful year. Let me just briefly introduce this event, this master course we are organizing for the second consecutive year at the University of Siena, an online master on facial pain, 2 years, 120 formative credits, panel of lecturers of outstanding faculty, of outstanding quality, it will be a pleasure for me and for us and for the entire faculty if you are interested and kind enough to send us a request for details. Now, without any further delay, I'd like to introduce you our speaker for this evening, which is one of the most brilliant young researchers we have in Italy, Anna Colonna.
Researcher and clinician to evaluate awake and slim bruxism with a wide-ranging look at the clinical impact of the different bruxism activities. Now, it's time to talk about clinical evaluation. And what should we consider? Dental examination, an inspection of the gums and alveolar mucosa, an inspection of cheek and tongue, an evaluation of masticatory muscle, and finally, an evaluation of the temporomandibular joints. Let's consider, for example, tooth wear. When we are faced with patients with tooth wear, we must ask ourselves, can I assume that the patient is a current bruxer just because of the worn dentition?